Welcome to Jaji Technologies. In this tutorial video, I will demonstrate how to download a list of tags from the INSYS suite and save it in an Excel file. To begin, log in using your correct credentials to access the INSYS Administrator portal. Once logged in, you will be taken to the Admin dashboard. In the Admin dashboard, navigate to the System Explorer section. Here you will find a feature called Tag Export available in the Administrator portal. This feature allows you to export various types of tags, such as manual entry field tags, PCS value field tags, and calculation tags, directly into an Excel file with just one click. So this eliminates the need for manual work to export the tags into Excel. The tag export feature takes you to the existing export page, where you can select tags or objects to export as XML. This XML file can be used to transfer and import the tags into another system, even if they are not physically connected. It enables sharing and migration of tag data between systems. So for this demonstration, I will select two objects, FI1501 and FI1502. The file will be downloaded and saved in the following path. I have created a folder named XML test on the D drive for this purpose. Click on the export button and you will find the exported file ready in the XML test folder on the D drive. To import the tags into another system, navigate to the import option within the same module and section. Select the select file option and choose the XML file you exported earlier. To ensure the selected objects are correct or to verify the accuracy of the uploaded file, you can use the show tags feature. This will display the objects available in the selected file. Once you're satisfied with the objects available in the selected file, click on the import option. This will initiate the upload process and the tags will be imported into the system. Returning to the tag dump option, if you want to export all the tags or PCS tags with detailed information, simply choose the appropriate selection and click on the export Excel option, and that's all you need to do. Now when you open the Excel file, you will find a comprehensive summary that includes the object count and the tag count. In this case, the total tag count in the system is 3265. Additionally, when you navigate to the object list, you will discover that all the objects along with their associated information have been already mapped into the file. Now navigate to the manual tag section where you will find the manual objects. These objects will come with critical information pre-mapped, including object ID, plot limits, and normal limits. If you select PCS tags, you will obtain all the relevant information on the tags that are connected to any data source. Similarly, when you check calculation tags, you will see calculation expression and the last good value associated with them, along with group names they are linked to. Thank you for watching. Stay connected with us for more educational content. Subscribe to our channel to receive updates on our latest videos. Hit the like button if you found this video informative and share your thoughts and questions in the comments below.